Hello dear students, in this video we are going to study the relationship between critical constant and van der Waals constant. Okay, so the van der Waals equation is P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. So solving this equation we will get this one, that means solving this bracket terms with this bracket terms, so we will get this equation on expansion. Multiplying this expanding equation with by V square by P, we get this equation, that is V cube minus B plus RT by P in bracket complete V square plus A by P V minus AB by P is equal to 0. Now this equation is a cubical equation in V. You might have heard about in 10th or 9th class about the cubical equation of x, which is if the x is a function, then you will get the cubical equation as a x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. So this is a cubical equation in V. Therefore the three roots of V are possible, that may be real or imaginary. So out of these three roots, one root is the V, which is the critical point. Now on critical isotherm we have seen that the volume, temperature and pressure, which we considered as VC, TC and PC, and at this point P is equal to PC and T is equal to TC. So putting these values, we will get the van der Waals equation as this, that is the substituting the value of T as TC and P as PC. Okay, so now we know that according to isotherm V is equal to VC. Therefore by shifting this VC this side, we will get V minus VC is equal to 0. By taking cube of this equation, we get V minus VC is whole cube is equal to 0. Now solving this equation, we will get cubical equation as this. Okay, so just by comparing these two equations, we can find out the value of VC. So just equating the coefficients, we will get the value of VC. Just like here, we are getting the value of 3 VC by comparing these two things. So here V square and V square, so these are the coefficients. So 3 VC is equal to B plus RTC upon PC. So here now compare these two equations. Okay, so we will get the equation 3 VC square is equal to A by PC, and by comparing the last, we will get the equation as VC cube is equal to AB upon PC. Now all these three equations, that is equation number 4, 5 and 6, give the relationship between critical constant and van der Waals constants. Okay, so these equations can also be solved individually to get the individual values of VC, PC and TC individual formulas. So by dividing equation 6 by equation 5, so this is equation number 6 and this is equation number 5. Okay, 6 and 5. So we have to divide equation 6 by equation 5. So divide equation 6 by equation 5. What we will get? We will get here the equation as VC cube upon 3 VC square is equal to AB upon PC into PC upon A. So here, after solving this equation, we will get the critical constant, that is VC's value, that is equal to 3B. Now substituting this value in equation number 5, we are getting here the value of VC. Substitute this value of VC. Now what we will find? So after substitution, we will find the value of PC as this. PC is equal to A by 27 B square. Now substituting the value of VC and PC in equation 5, we will get the value of TC, that is equal to 8A upon 27 RB. You have to do nothing here, just substitute the value of BC and PC and solve the equation. So you will get the required equation, that is equal to TC. Okay, now these values, okay, all these we have seen that all these values in isotherms, that is we have seen the graphs of isotherms of van der Waals. So when we know the value of PC and TC, you can find out these values of PC and TC experimentally. So by finding out these values, we can calculate the constants, that is A and B, for the ideal gas. Okay, so or any real gas. So what is the equation for VC? We will get the we have get the equation for VC is equal to 3B. So here from that equation we can calculate the equation for B, as the B is equal to VC by C. Putting this value in equation 8, we get the equation as this. So putting the value of B here in equation of PC, we get this equation of A, that is equal to 3 PC into VC square. Substituting these values of A and B in equation 9, okay, in equation 9 we will get the equation as PC VC is equal to 3 by 8 RTC. So these are the different formulas by using which we can find out the numericals. Here one numerical is given for practice: van der Waals constants for hydrogen gas. So A value and B value is given. The units are atm, liter, square, mole, mole square, mole to the power minus 2, and this is B value, liter per mole. And we have to find the critical temperature and critical pressure, that is TC and PC. So by using the formulas, as the unit is atm, liter square, mole to the power minus 2, we have to use the R value in this unit. Okay, now we know the value of R is equal to 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. But as this unit, in this unit value we cannot use here this R value, so we have to use the R value as 0.0821 liter atm Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Okay, so this R value is used here in this equation of TC. So by putting the values we can find out the required answer. Okay, so these are the numericals. You can easily find out the values of these required questions. You can see that. Now the last topic is reduced equation of state and law of corresponding states. Consider that the critical pressure, volume and temperature. So whatever the actual volume or temperature and pressure of the gas, if these three things are considered as the fraction of the corresponding critical values, then we will get the three different equations here as this. So considering as the fractions, we will get P by PC is equal to pi, V by VC is equal to phi, and T by TC is equal to theta. Okay, therefore P is equal to pi PC, V is equal to phi VC, and T is equal to theta TC. Okay, so putting these values in van der Waals equation, we will get the equation 1. This is van der Waals equation. Putting the values in van der Waals equation, P value, V value and the T value. Okay, here also. So we will get this equation. Now just we know the values of PC, VC and TC from equation 7, 8 and 9. As we have seen previously, we will get the equation of these like this one. Okay, so by just solving this, we will find, after solving this equation, we will get the final equation as pi plus 3 pi square in bracket and second bracket, that is in multiplication, 3 5 minus 1 bracket complete, it is equal to 8 theta, and this is known as van der Waals reduced equation of state. Okay, so the main statement of this law of corresponding state is, when two substances have same reduced temperature and pressure, they will have the same reduced volume. So this is the conclusion you can draw on from the corresponding states. So here your unit is completed.